Video we are going to check out the Asana application. So for it, first of all, here on the level of marketplace, like here, search the Asana application, like install it. So if you want to install it on all the location, then install it on the agency level, like there. If you install on the agency, then it will install on all the location, and you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case, we are going to install on all the location. So proceed it. So here, wait a few seconds, like the app is installing, like integrating. So is installed. So now go to the location level. So go there and then search the Asana. So configure it. So search the Asana application, like click on configure button, and there you have to put the API key. So first of all, you need a Asana account here, like create Asana like this account, and after it, then you can find the API key, like how to find Asana API key. Then click on personal access token. So after this, like there on the developer console, click here. So in this section, you can get the API key, like here. This one is the personal access token. So create a new token, like name it. So then create it. So here copy this and save this, and also make sure that you will don't get it again. So done, and after this again and put your credential and then submit. So your credentials are saved, and now you can use it, like go to the automations, and after it create a workflow, start from scratch, and to use its actions, like to use this apps, basically click on plus button. So this will be your Asana application, like these are the actions of it, like you can use it them in the workflow, like create a tag. So for this you need a workspace ID, like on the home section, like here my workspaces. So this one is your workspace ID, so you can use here and put the name, like this one is the name, and suppose this is the workspace ID. So save the action, put the value in the notes, like here this one is Sana creator tag, and you can use the ID, resource type, its name, and workspace ID, workspace name, and all these fields, like this. You can also use them in other actions, like add, click on plus button, and then if you want to get the tag, then click here, then there, and this one is the ID. So save the action and save it, and then touch the workflow and all of this. Thank you.